off on an adventure. I've got some time on my own in the van. No wife, no kids, no dog, but I'm a little bit undecided on where to go. I can either go to Wales, which was my original plan, South Wales, Mid Wales, Norfolk, Glastonbury. I want to get away and get some fresh air, so let's see where we end up. Right, sun's shining, I've got fuel for me, I need to get fuel for the van, and then I really need to decide where I'm going, so... Some fuel, let's find somewhere just to park up and figure out where we're going, where we're going to spend these few days. Wow, okay, so I've pulled over to see where I'm going to be going. The only thing is I've pulled over in a lay-by at the side of a dual carriageway, and every time a car goes past it rocks the van, so I think I need to find somewhere else to pull over and figure out where I'm going to stay tonight. Okay, so I found my destination. I'm heading to Hay-on-Wye in Herefordshire, not Gay-on-Wye, that my sat-nav Siri was trying to send me to when I was saying Hay-on-Wye, Hay-on-Wye. It was going Gay-on-Wye in Hay-on-Wye. I'm like, no, Hay-on-Wye, Gay-on-Wye in Hay-on-Wye. Anyway, I have no idea what that is, and I'm not going to Google it to find out. But yeah, I'm on my way. Right, let's get going. Okay, I've arrived at the destination that I wanted to come to, which is Hay-on-Wye, but there was a comment on Park for Night, which is where I found this park up, saying that they were moved on for overhanging the parking space, and I've backed the van right up to the curb and I'm just over the parking area. There's 3 other vans here, but they're all within the parking space, so I don't know whether to risk it. The place I was going to stay after this is an hour and 20 minutes away, but I've only got an hour of daylight left, and the way I'm driving, I mean, it'll probably be more like an hour and a half, maybe even an hour and 40 minutes before I get there, so I'm not quite sure what to do. I don't know whether to stay here and risk it or whether to move on, so I'll see.
A few moments later.
Okay, I found a place in the Brecon Beacons, which is 51 minutes away, and there's 58 minutes of daylight left, so I'm going to risk it and I'm going to move on and yeah, take a punt on the Brecon Beacons. Alright, let's get going. You have me worried there. I got my burgers and my barbecue sauce at the ready. I got some mini potatoes in there, pan ready to fry up the burgers, and I'm going to have some broccoli with them, and I am going to enjoy a beverage. There we go. Oh, hot, hot. Howdy neighbours. Right, so I washed up last night's dirty pots. I decided to have a beer rather than actually do that last night when I should have done it. So now I've just got to make sure that the grey water drainage tap under the van is closed before I tip the murky water from the washing up down the plug hole. Then we'll have some breakfast and get on our way. Oh, it's really beautiful here, isn't it? Be sure to join me for part 2, where I find a derelict house that we almost bought 17 years ago. I go for a walk along a beautiful beach, drink way too much coffee and have a healthy breakfast. I'll see you in part 2. Take care.